Welcome to Tech Vibes. Your TV turns on, you can hear sound clearly, remote is working, but the screen is completely black. Do not panic. In most cases, this is not a panel failure. I am going to show you real technician level checks that actually work. Now listen carefully and follow step by step. First, confirm the exact symptom. Turn on the TV, increase volume. If sound is coming and the screen is dark, this is usually a backlight or display signal issue. Step 1. Flashlight test. Turn off the room light. Use your mobile flashlight. Shine the light very close to the TV screen. Look carefully from an angle. If you can see a very faint image, menu, or moving picture, the LCD panel is working. This confirms the backlight system has failed. In this case, the main problem is LED backlight strips or the LED driver circuit. This is extremely common in LED and smart TVs. The solution is backlight replacement or backlight repair. No software reset can fix this. Step 2, check backlight voltage. This step is for technicians. Open the TV back cover carefully, locate the power supply board, check LED output voltage using a multimeter. If voltage spikes and then drops to 0, the LED strips are open or shorted. Replace the faulty LED strips with same voltage and same size. Step 3, if flashlight test shows nothing at all, no faint image, no menu, but sound is present, then the issue may be T-con board or LVDS cable. T-con means timing control board. Disconnect TV from power, remove and reinsert the LVDS cable properly. Clean the connector gently. If possible, test with another known good T-con board. This often fixes black screen issues caused by signal loss. Step 4. Mainboard check. If HDMI devices show sound but no picture, mainboard video output may be faulty. Try different HDMI ports. Try built-in YouTube app if available. If built-in app also shows black screen, mainboard video processing section is defective. Step 5. Software reset test. Unplug TV from power. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reconnect power and turn on. This only helps if the issue is firmware related. It will not fix hardware backlight failure. Final technician advice. If flashlight test shows image, do not replace the panel. Panel replacement costs more than the TV value. Backlight repair is the correct and cost-effective solution. This guide is based on real repair experience, technician forums, and proven field fixes. If this video helps you, subscribe to Tech Vibes. See you in the next troubleshooting guide.